everybody, and well, we're thinking about eating together this week, and I wanted to share with you a lovely recipe, chocolate fridge cake. Very easy. First we're going to take, and I've put a list of the ingredients, there's 100 grams of butter, and then put my scale on. We're going to put 70 grams of golden syrup. Give that a big squidge in there. Oh, look at that. That is brilliant, isn't it? And I'm just looking at the numbers here till it goes up to 70. Oh, what's that now? 60? Yeah, that's it. If it goes a bit over, don't worry. Then you can use cocoa powder, if you like, about 25 grams, or you could just use a bar of chocolate. Then what we're going to do with this is put it in the microwave. So we'll put it in for about a minute, then stir it, and then have a look. And maybe another 30 seconds after that. And while that's doing, we're going to get our biscuits. Digestive biscuits are good. I've got shortbreads, I think, here. We get our biscuits, put them in a bag, and get your rolling pin and just smash them into crumbs and little pieces. Oh, that's good fun, isn't it? Now, it doesn't have to be all biscuits. You can add a bit of cereal to this, or I'm going to add some Cocoa Pops to mine. So I haven't got that many biscuits. This should be about 200 grams, but it's not quite. So, let's have a look what's happened in the microwave. Oh, it's beginning to melt, but I think what we better do now is give it a really good stir. So, well, there's a big lump of butter still, but you can see the chocolate's quite melted. We have to stir it and let the heat sort of get through, because if we just keep on cooking it, you might get some burnt bits in the chocolate, which wouldn't be very nice. That's it. Let's give this another 30 seconds there in the microwave. Then, once that's melted, we're going to add the crumbs, any cereal you want, and then you can add some extras. You can add raisins. This is mixed fruit I'm going to put in. You could add marshmallows. If you had any Smarties, they'd be great too. Little sweets or sprinkles, anything like that would be really good. I'm going to get this open. Oh, let's let Remco open that while we have a look at the mix. Oh, that's looking good. Have a look in there. The butter's nearly melted, everything else is thick, so we'll just stir that now so it doesn't get too hot. Now, it doesn't need to get very hot, it just needs to melt. And now you can see it's going to a nice, thick, chocolatey, syrupy mix and mess. Then, all we do is we stir in the biscuit crumbs. They don't all have to be crumbs, they can be chunks as well. Stir them all in. Oh, there we go. Oops. Lovely. Stir that. I'm going to put in the Rice Krispies. I'm not even weighing these. Doesn't really matter too much. You've got biscuits, you've got some Rice Krispies. Remco's opened these for us. Some mini marshmallows, they're always good, aren't they? Let's put a couple of handfuls of them in. A few raisins or this mixed fruit left over from the Christmas cake. There we go. Oh, come on. Pick that. There you go. That all we do is really stir it well. That's looking very good. Until it's all looking chocolatey. See that? Might be a bit too many Rice Krispies, but never mind. It doesn't matter. Then you need to put it in a dish or baking tray or any sort of dish, but line it with some non-stick paper. So I've got this cake tin and I've got a nice liner, so I'm going to use that. So just put it all in. That's it. Oh, nice thick fridge cake there. So very small slices of this, Remco. Look how deep that is. Then, and the best thing about this cake is you don't even have to put it in the oven. All you do is put it in the fridge. The worst thing is you have to wait quite a long time for it to be ready. So you have to leave it for quite a long time. So what I'm suggesting is make it today, eat it tomorrow. And if you want, you can put some melted chocolate over the top when it's set, but that's up to you. So we'll just put it in the fridge here. There we go. And now I have to forget about it till it's set. Okay, chocolate fridge cake. Enjoy.